Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, we're going to be doing a little chandelier here today. It's a little project that I did a while back that I just want to show you guys and basically just, kind of make something nice for you guys, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a lot of diamonds, we're going to be doing a lot of kind of hanging rope kind of things. So what you want to do is just add a cylinder, and all we're going to do is duplicate this entire thing. So we just need to make the one part and then just duplicate it out, and it'll look pretty good actually. So we're just going to get your cylinder as thin as you can and then just shape it out so it's just a long string. Press G, bring it up. Okay, so what you want on the side of this, we're going to go to just right click shade smooth. We're going to go to ecosphere or icosphere. Press G, bring it up, and just kind of thread it on the bottom here. Now what you want to do, make sure that you're in cycles and not Eevee. So you're going to go to the render tab here, and it should just be here, render engine. Go back to your materials tab, and we're going to go new, and we're going to change this one. We're going to put this as glass. Now hopefully this should stay consistent within your project. If it doesn't, you can always go back to this tab right here. You'll have glass right there, just change it to glass. Every single one should be glass when we're duplicating it anyway. So you want to go to Principal BSDF, go to Glass BSDF, and then we're just going to go ahead, turn down the roughness, make it shiny. Take your string that you've got right here, just click new, and we're going to go string, and your string should be black. Don't make it reflective, so turn up your roughness as well. So this is what you should have. So if you come back to just regular render mode right here, I'm just going to shape this up a little bit. So just scale it all the way up, scale this out. Let me see, just going to bring the string up so that's sat right at the bottom. Oh, how long is a piece of string? I made it pretty long. Okay, so you've got this like this. So just click on your icosphere right here. We're going to go Shift D. Just press, I think 10 might do it. Hold on. Yeah, 10 will do it. Shift D. 10. And then we want to go ahead and do Shift D, 10, and just go all the way up. Shift D, 10. Shift D, 10. It might take you a while to reach the top, but once you've done it, it's cool. Shift D, 10. Shift D, and then we're going to go 10. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the lighting from here, I'm going to remove the camera, and I'm also going to remove the plane that we put in. Plane was just for kind of distance of how big this was. So we're going to go box select. Actually, you know what I'm going to do first? I'm going to select the string. Let's make it slightly longer. What you want to do is get the end of your string in the end here. So it's in the icosphere at the end, and have right up here just kind of like a little bit of a space. So if we press, let's see, press 1. Select everything. We're going to go Shift D, and maybe we could go 10. Select everything again. We go Shift D, put 20, and then we're going to put 40. So Shift D, and then put 40. And then for this one, we can go Shift D, and I think we should go with -10. No, sorry, if we did 40, it should be -40. No. Okay, hold on. Figuring this out. Let's go -80, see if that works. No, apparently that doesn't work. Hold on. just line it up if it's not working. For some reason, when I'm pressing minus, it just doesn't seem to be going back the way that it should be. So once we've got all this, should have a line of stuff. So select all of this. Make sure you've got absolutely everything. All the lines, all the icospheres. We're going to go Shift D and go 10. And this one's going to work its way backwards apparently. Press A to select everything. Shift D. We're going to go 20. A to select everything. Shift D. Go 40. And then A again, or box select. And we're just going to go Shift D. And then it should be minus 80. Let's try minus 80, see if that works. Yeah, okay. So now we've kind of got this huge cube of stuff going on. Now what I want to do, I want to light this. So to light this, we're going to go with a cube. Don't render anything just at the moment because it will be a huge render. Get the cube as big as you can. And then just scale it down. You want the cube just to sit below all of these lines. So to scale it out, go G for down. Now what you want to do at this point, once you've got it roughly underneath, and it's where you need it to be, go into edit mode. We're going to take this top face right here, press E for extrude but don't move it, and we scale inwards, and then we're just going to press E for extrude to go down, and then just scale it in just slightly. So this part right here is going to be an emission, so we're going to go new. This material right here will be the outer, we'll just call this the outer fold. Yeah, assign that, press new. Oh, sorry, we've just assigned it. That should go for the entire object, but press new. We want to go new, assign. It would have already been assigned anyway. So this one we're going to go principal BSDF. Go to emission. This should now shine white. So what I'm going to do, before we render anything, I'm just going to shade smooth. And then I'm just going to press Shift D. I'm just going to duplicate that. Rotate 180, and we should have something like this. Now when we press render, it's going to take up a lot of CPU, but we should have some nice lighting going on and some nice little crystals. I'm going to add a plane underneath just to kind of give it some stability kind of thing. Press G, make sure that's underneath. Scale it out. You've kind of got this infinity room going on. And now you have this wonderful kind of attire of gems and stuff like that. Now you could alter the lines if you wanted to. You could select a few of the lines and put them in different positions if you wanted to. You could put some more jewels on here. But yeah, it's a nice little sculpture that you can make in Blender just for practicing your lighting really. You can change the lighting at the bottom to a different colour. Have them all as pink, green, blues and stuff like that, like kind of an aqua kind of thing going on. You can also take the faces, the materials from each one and change them into different things. So if I take this one and go to edit mode, I've got the face selected right here. So if I press plus, when it goes through, press new, and then assign, it turns the light off right there. But if I check the emission right there, I can change that to like a green. I kind of give this like kind of white green kind of colour going on. I just thought to teach you guys that one, because it's, you know, we don't really work with glass a lot, but yeah, it's a pretty cool effect. You can do some filming with this as well, mess around with the f-stops. It kind of looks really cool, but I would advise if you're going to be filming, maybe try HD first if it's your first time, and then move on to a different format. But yeah, that's the tutorial today. Hope you guys are doing well. I will see you in the next one. You know, all usual stuff. Click subscribe, whatever platform that you're on. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.